There are two ways of creating new characters in Storycraft. In the Stories section, you can add them to a selected story. This will link them to this story. Or in the Characters section, you can create a new character with the Add New Character option. These characters will be storyless until you link them to a story. When we look at our two stories, we see indeed that Dummy 2 is not part of any story. To see to which story a character belongs, select him or her in the characters list. The Characters/Story field will display the name of the story. To move a character to another story, or to link a new character to a story, select the character in the list and choose a story from the menu. Now, when we have a look at our stories, we see that our Dummy 2 character has joined Dummy 1 in the World of Dummies story. Keep in mind that deleting a story will also delete all the linked characters from the Characters section.